Hello students, let's continue with polynomials, exercise 2.3, question 3. Now, this is slightly different from the previous questions that we did. We need to find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px in each of the following. So, px is this and x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So, what strategy are we going to follow to find the value of k? Now, since x minus 1 is a factor of px, if we substitute the 0 of x minus 1 into the polynomial, we will get the polynomial as 0. That is, the remainder will be 0. So, we are going to use this particular strategy to find the value of k. Let's see how. So, first I am going to find the value, the 0 of x minus 1. The 0 of x minus 1 is what? Let's solve it quickly. This side, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1, right? So, the 0 of x minus 1 is equal to 1. Now, when we substitute x is equal to minus 1 into any of these polynomials, we will get the value as 0. That is, p1 will be 0 in each of the following cases. So, we can clearly say that since x minus 1 is a factor of px, right? P of 1 is 0. Okay, I am going to keep this until the last question that we have and then use this to find the value of k, right? So, my first question, polynomial is 2x square plus kx, it's x square plus x plus k. Right? Substituting x is equal to 1 in this question, I get p of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus k. But we already have p of 1 as 0, right? So, p of 1 is 0 here, right? Is equal to 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k. Correct? So, 0 is equal to 2 plus k. This can be just rewritten as 2 plus k is equal to 0. Since we are swapping both the sides, the signs remain the same because we are bringing this entire term on the left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. So, the sign remains as it is. Now, we need to find the value of k, right? So, k is equal to, I will get 2 on the right hand side. So, this becomes k is equal to minus 2. Okay. Let us take a look at the second question. It is 2x squared plus kx plus root 2, right? I am going to go ahead and substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial. So, I get p of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 the whole square plus k into 1 plus root 2, right? We have p of 1 0. So, simply go ahead and substitute p of 1 is equal to 0. 2 into 1 square is 1 plus k into 1 will give me k plus root of 2, right? This is equal to 0. 2 plus k plus root 2. I can simply swap the sides, that is the left hand side with the right hand side, without changing the signs. So, I get 2 plus root 2 plus k is equal to 0, right? Therefore, k is equal to, I am getting both these terms on the right hand side, so the sign will change, minus 2 minus root 2, correct? Let us just quickly further simplify this. I will take the negative sign outside, minus, so this becomes 2 plus root 2. Let us verify. When you open the brackets, minus 2 will give you minus 2 and minus plus will give you minus root 2, which is this. So, I have only simplified it further. Therefore, we have the value of k as k is equal to minus of the entire thing 2 plus root 2. Please take a look. We will go ahead and solve the third question. So, the third question reads kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Again, I am going to substitute x is equal to 1 in this equation, right? So, p of 1 gives me k into 1 the whole square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. Correct? Now, p of 1 is 0. So, I am substituting p of 1 is equal to 0, right? I get k into 1 minus 2 root 2 into 1, anything into 1 will give you that particular number. So, root 2 plus 1. K into 1 will give me k minus root 2 plus 1. I am again swapping the sides, that is the left hand side with the right hand side. So, I get k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, I just need k on my left hand side. So, I am taking both these terms on the right hand side, right. So, when you take it on the other side, sign changes. This is going to be root 2. Why root 2? Because it was minus over here and plus 1 will become minus. So, k is equal to minus root 2, root 2 minus 1. Please take a look. Now, let us go ahead and solve the last question. That is question number 4. So, this is kx square minus 3x plus k. I am going to substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial. So, p1 is equal to k into 1 the whole square minus 3 into 1 plus k, right. P of 1 is 0. So, I am going to substitute p of 1 is equal to 0, k into 1 minus 3 plus k. So, this is equal to k minus 3 plus k, which is equal to, let us say k is an apple. So, one apple plus another apple will give you 2 apples. Therefore, 2k is 2k minus 3, right. Again, just swap these terms, left hand side with the right hand side. I get 2k minus 3 is equal to 0, right. Therefore, 2k is going to be 3. Why 3? Because 3 was negative on the left hand side. Since I am bringing only 3 on the right hand side, the sign will change. Therefore, it is 2k is equal to 3. Now, 2 is getting multiplied with k. Therefore, it will come here and divide 3 because I am bringing it to the right hand side. So, this is 3 upon 2. Therefore, we have the value of k as 3 upon 2. Please take a look. So, we have finished question 3. We will continue with question 4 in the next class. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.